Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're doing a video today on this Hardinge HC. This happens to be an HC chucker in the frame. Perfect. This is a serial number HC5401T as in Tango. Our stock number happens to be 6,857. This machine presents itself very nicely. It's a 5C chucker, has a great selection of 5C Collets. It has a parting blade, an overhead parting blade. It has the spare components and the tooling and the widgets. We also even have a couple of extra turning tools. All these extra turning tools make a difference when it comes to tooling up this machine. It's currently set up with a 2-axis Acu-Rite digital readout. Okay, so that being said, we're previewed, ready to go on our stock number 6,857. Let's go ahead and run through the paces of this machine, Frank. Let's see what you got.
125.
Okay, that's 125 RPM.
200.
Okay, you'll note there's a variable speed range on here. The machine goes from 0 to 3,000 RPM.
600.
Okay, that's 600 RPMs.
1250.
Very easily accomplished off of the overhead controller unit. I can't say how fun this machine is. It's set up with a 5C Collet chuck. It's also set up with the ThreeJaw Chuck. Again, it goes from 0 to 3,000 RPM, infinitely variable speed. Okay, that's your 3,000 RPM there. This is a dovetail style machine.
I'll show you some feeds.
Yeah, I'd love to see them. So again, we've got a micrometer bed stop here. I have a full selection of the Collets that just went in the thanks. Let me just take a snapshot of those. All right, several 5C Collets. You can see how they just tuck away nice and killer in the drawer. We have the Acu-Rite digital readout.
Carriage.
Now on the carriage feeds, you'll see how easy it is to engage those. The machine has 0 to 3,000 RPM on the variable speed. It has an 1 3/8 spindle bore. It has a Hardinge spindle nose. It's also set up with the 5C Collet closer. What Frankie's doing here is going off of this little unit right here. There's the digital readout again. Okay, oh yeah, we're going to position the turret. That's what makes this machine so unique. Very cool, well done. I'd like to point out the condition of the crossways while I'm here. Get in nice and close on the dovetail. Just really get a feel for everything the way it's set up perfectly. Again, here's your 5C Collet closer unit coming off the back. So that's set up for a draw tube with a 5C nose. Here's your overhead parting blade. Here's your face plates. Okay. Go ahead and play with it just a little bit more, Frank. I'm going to grab my reference sheet here on what that actual spindle nose is. Just in case you're inquiring on the actual spindle nose, the Hardinge spindle nose is what we call a 2 3/16 10. It's a threaded nose that's specific to Hardinge. It's a 2 3/16 10. It's a very common spindle taper. The machine is also set up with automatic lube. There's the auto lube pump. It has an overhead shroud. So when it comes to safety first here at Machinery Consultants, we're always concerned about being able to offer the finest, most cutting edge items and accessories and machine tools. Again, this is well equipped with tooling, a digital measuring system, an overhead work light, the 5C setup, the additional overhead parting blade. Here's a couple of extra tool holders. And please feel free to inquire upon the owner's manual. We just got a hold of Hardinge and they just sent us out a new owner's manual. So all that and a sack of chips here at Machinery Consultants on this lovely Hardinge HC Chucker. It's a very low hour machine, as you can tell from the condition of the machine, how quiet, how smooth it sounds, how good it looks. Again, it's our stock number 6857, serial number HC5401T. Well, until next time, please feel free to look us up at 801-531-9500. On our website is www.machineryconsultants.com. Click on Used Machines, go to Engine Lathes, and scroll down to the category of 6857, and here you'll find it. Price to sell quickly. Thanks again. Have a great day.